So my code here is fine and it works. I'm actually just going to go back, I'm going to delete this one, I'm going to go back to the square, because that's probably slightly easier for us to do what we want to do next. Now you'll notice that I'm repeating the same lines of code here. 4 times I've repeated it, okay? Which means that my code is not the most efficient. It's fine if I'm doing 4 or 3 or 5, but if I was doing 100, for example, that's going to take me a long time to type it out, and I might make a mistake. So what we can use is we can use this repeat command, and I'm going to open my square brackets, and then whatever is inside of the square brackets here, so in this case I'm just going to move this up here, and I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to close my square brackets after that. So whatever is inside this square brackets is going to be repeated the number of times that I say. Now it's a 4-sided shape, so I'm going to repeat it 4 times, and it should draw me a square. So hopefully you'll see how that's a lot more efficient. It's only 1 line of code now, and I can easily change this just by changing a couple of the values, and it will completely change the shape that I am drawing. But all I'm doing is I'm using this repeat to create this. Now I could put another number in here, like 360, and all it's going to do is it's going to repeat that 360 times. You'll see the line gets slightly darker, but not much else is happening. Now I might want to stop that in my code because I've made a mistake, so I can press this stop button here to do that, and it'll stop at the end of that command. So you'll notice the turtle is here. The other thing I can do is I can skip to the end here, so I can go right to the end, and it will run through all of those lines of code. But really, to draw a square, this is what I'm sorry, I should have been drawing a hexagon. This is the code that I should be using.